Welcome back to Themepiko. Today I show you how to configure multiple option product area like that. Select the image, it is automatically at the search, then select another option. If you write here some text per character base charge. Also you can set multiple option according to your need. How to configure those options in the product area, in this video I show you. So let's get started in the video. First of all, I need to go the admin dashboard. After that, plugin option, then add new plugin, then upload plugin. Here the plugin I'm already installed this. So my purpose do not need again install this plugin. After that, how to configure those options. If I need only this product added the some option, you can do that. Also, if you globally all product area visible the option, you also do that. How can do that? First, I show you the global option. First of all, you need to go product option, then global option. I'm already create a global option. After that, you can configure according to your need. It is very simple. First, I'm click to all product area display. It is very easy. First of all, the field label. After that, custom field type, it is image source. After that, you can see the lot of option available here. You can choose, then configure. This field price, if you need to set this field price, you can do that. Then visibility. This field display everywhere or not. After that, visibility price, you can set here. Also this option, hidden or value only or height only, some option available. After that, you can add the multiple option here. Because choose the image switch, then option 1, option 2. Option 1 price only 1, option 2 price only 3. If I add more option like option 3, set the price 5. I'm just set here 3 because I have the 3 option like this one. You also set this price base percentage, also flat rate, then default value. If you need to set auto, you just copy this text, then default value. This field automatic default value set option 3. If you need to conditionally display this area, you can do that. Hide this field and show this field. After that, you just select which option choose, then it is visible. You can do that. I'm already select the pattern type. Pattern has 2 options. One is option 1, option 2. Select is visible image area. And if you need to add more field, just click here. Then new label, new custom field. Multiply the original product price, apply this option. I show you later. Then save global field. I'm just visit all product again, then visit this product. You can see global option. If you no need this title, just you need to remove this option. Alright, this option you can see product color. I'm set the price to. If you need to change the product color like that, it is automatically at the 2 price. Pattern type, it is pattern or image. You can see this one image and this one pattern. I'm just newly added this option, option 3. Select the pattern, then select the image. It is 2 USD added more. You can see option price is 4, product price 172 and our option price is 4. It is equal to 176. If I added 2 number, then it is automatically added the price 20. After that, you can see product already added. So visit the product. All my custom value is already added the product area. Those custom field goes to checkout page, thank you order page, also your admin area, user and guest order mail area. This is the global option that I'm configure. Now I'm try to add single product area some option. So again I'm visit to all product area. After that I'm just visit. After that you can see here product option. Here the group already I'm added. Same time group I'm added. I'm just try to some. Then I'm added the group option 02. Then add field. Some instruction checkbox field price no. I'm set. Do not add to condition. After that I'm added another field, update the product, it is automatically update. So product is updated. After that visit this product. You can see here option 1 is visible that configure the product area. Right now configure the checkbox, then image upload. You can see here global option. You just disable the global option here. After that save global option, remove the global option. Product checkout field is required. That means first need to check out, then possible to add product cart. So I'm trying to add this product already added. Also 2 product in the cart. Second product you can see the attribute product checkout. It is properly working or not. You can see here just place order. Alright, you can see here all option coming. I'm just visit now order area. It is properly coming or not. You can see all option is coming. So everywhere it is now working and different design. First of all you need to go your product page. After that I'm just edit the product. Here you can see the some option available. Display group as standard. That means you see product 1, product 2 is visible. You can organize to more user friendly. Then you can set here if your multiple accordion type display design is different. Accordion type you can see option 1 and option 2. To multiple option set up multi-step, then you need to choose here the step. After that you can see option 1, then option 2. This name you can configure the backend area. Then next option is coming. Then choose here place the order. Keep in mind if your just example for default, again you see the product option. Here the option display option is sticky. You just enable this, then update the product. I'm just choose some option, then click here. After some product added, you can see right content is already stuck. That means it is sticky. You can continue option choose. After hit the button, it is automatically work. So this way you can now configure your product more option given for user. Do you have any question about this plugin? Do not configure, need to help something, or inbox me. I will try to help you. Keep in mind, this is a powerful product option model that calculate your option price, then integrated the product area.
Cool. If you need a special any customization this plugin, feel free inform me. I will customize for you. Hopefully see you soon. Have a good day. Ta-da.